Several apps you have installed on your Windows 11 PC will run in the background, even after closing them. The good news is you can disable background apps on Windows 11 in several ways and improve overall performance. Number 1. Stop apps from running in the background via settings on Windows 11. However, if you have too many apps running in the background, it can decrease performance, connectivity, and battery life. One of the more straightforward ways to stop apps from running in the background is via the Settings app. You will need to disable each app individually.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
Number 2. Disable background apps on Windows 11 with group policy. You can use Group Policy Editor to disable background apps if you are running Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Student editions. When you disable background apps on Windows 11, you control their connectivity, performance, and battery power.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Number 3. Using power and battery settings to disable background apps on Windows 11. The battery and power section gives you the opportunity to view the apps that are wasting the most battery power while running in the background. Also, it allows you to disable background apps that are eating up the most power.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.